Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can restore Steam Cloud saves on Windows, but before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Steam app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page where a bunch of playable games will be displayed. Here, click on the Steam embed at top left corner of the screen, select Settings from the menu, and then navigate to the Cloud tab. Now, make sure that this feature is turned on. After that, close the Settings dialog box and then close Steam completely from here. Now, run it again and go to your Library tab. Here, select the game you want to restore the saves from, right-click on it and select Manage. Once done, go to General and check mark the Cloud Service statement. Also note that this feature is only supported by a limited number of games. After you are done, go to Installed Files tab, click on Browse, and then go to the main Steam app folder. Here, click on User Data and a bunch of cloud saves will be present here. But the catch is that they will be in terms of numbers. In order to know which one's your target game, open any browser, open the Steam-powered website and search for a game. Here, you will be able to see what number belongs to the target game and you will be able to locate it. Another thing you can do is go to your Steam app again, click on this Steam embed, and then click on Restore Backup. Now, if you have any backup file present, click on the Browse button, select it, and load it on your account. That's how you can restore Steam Cloud saves on Windows. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.